Hi everybody, my name is Jacob. I am the Maker Education Manager at the Children's Museum of Houston. This is my daughter Spike, and today we're going to do an activity that we like to do every morning, and it's making kind of a schedule for our day. And it's because time and schedules can be kind of abstract concepts, so we like to make a visual schedule for our day that helps us plan out and manage our expectations for the day and make a plan, which helps us manage stress. So this is a great activity for anybody who's the age of the McGovern Foundation Tot Spot, so 0 to 3. Spike is a little older than that, but we do this with Ziggy, who is 1. We don't need to take this off right now. That's my name tag, and that way everyone knows my name. It's Jacob. So first things first, we're gonna write down the date. What's today, Spiky?
Tuesday.
It's Tuesday. And what month is it?
April.
It's April. April the 7th. And what's the year? 2020. Awesome. And so now what we're going to do is we made these little tiles that have visual representations of different things we might do today. And that kind of takes that abstract concept of different parts of our day and makes it concrete, makes it visual for them to kind of just see how the day is gonna go. Now, we got these tiles at a craft store. What you can do at home is just draw pictures every single day. You can draw pictures on cardboard and cut it out or on pieces of paper. But we have these little tiles, which is kind of nice. And we made this little cardboard holder for the tiles. All right, Spikey, you ready to make our day? All right. Let's put all the tiles out. What's the very first one we need to find, Spike? This one? And then we're gonna, you wanna do it? All right, so that is, what does that tile mean?
Wake up!
It means we wake up. Now what do we do when we wake up?
Eat breakfast.
We eat breakfast. So do you wanna put the breakfast tile in?
Fine.
All right, put it in. And then after we eat breakfast, maybe we will play? Maybe do some playing? Oh. Or we can go outside and do some gardening, and then maybe after that we come inside and do some playing. There we go. Yeah, right before we go to bed. You're right. We do. We read a book before we go to bed, and that's the last thing we do at night. Maybe after we play, we clean up though, right, Spiky? Clean up, then have a snack, and then we go to sleep at the end of the day. Maybe after our snack, we call Grandma Bubbles.
But we're upstairs to brush the teeth.
Oh yeah, we brush our teeth and take a bath. Right before that. Yeah, sometimes we take a bath and then we eat dinner before that. So this is a great way of kind of showing the way that our day goes. And she already expects at the end of the day, yes, we know we're going to go to sleep because we always start every day waking up and end every day going to sleep. And then she's kind of just filling in the blanks in between using these tiles. So we have all sorts of tiles. We have a tile for doing homework. Sometimes we go grocery shopping. A lot of the times these days we're staying at home, and a lot of the times we're making phone calls to our friends and family. And so this is just a great way. This is our day, and this is a great way to manage expectations, to kind of give a concrete visualization for...
Now we're gonna do this.
Yeah, now we're gonna go outside and garden. You're absolutely correct. So, bye everybody. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys soon. Say bye, Spiky. Say bye, Ziggy.